English Welsh, can you, equals.
Alli di.
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey do, ready to unlock a super useful Welsh request phrase? Let's make it memorable and fun. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today's star is can you, which in Welsh is.
Alli di.
Picture a superhero named Alli who appears whenever someone cries.
Alli di.
And saves the day with a grin. By the end, you'll ask for help smoothly, and maybe recruit your own Alli sidekick. Your goal today. By the end, do can ask for help in different situations, informal, formal, even playful. Informal to a friend.
Alli di.
For example.
Alli di. Helpu. Alli di. Agor y drws. Alli di. Dangos I mi.
Formal or plural.
Allwch chi.
As in a shop or to a group. Different meaning. Will you, is.
Wnei di.
Willingness, while.
Alli di.
Is ability. Negative idea, can't you.
Alli di ddim.
Notice.
Ddim.
Be extra polite by adding.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Example.
Allwch chi. Agor y drws. Os gwelwch yn dda.
Mini dialogues. Let's act it out, short, real, and a bit silly. A.
Alli di. Agor y ffenestr. Os gwelwch yn dda.
B.
Ai, wrth gwrs.
A.
Allwch chi. Dal y drws.
B.
Ai, wrth gwrs.
A.
Alli di. Gario hwn.
B. You're the best, caffeine on me. A.
Wnei di. Dangos I mi.
B. After snacks. Motivation requires snacks. Rhythm hack. Lock in the sound with a quick beat, do's got this. Clap a steady 2 beat. Alli, D, then pause for the ellipsis.
Alli di.
Try a chant. Alli, D, help.
Alli di. Helpu.
Alli, D, open the door.
Alli di. Agor y drws.
Culture tip. Polite in Wales. Choose your vibe, friendly or formal, always kind. With friends, go informal.
Alli di.
In shops or with strangers, use.
Allwch chi.
And add.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
For extra warmth. A smiling.
Ai, wrth gwrs.
Will often follow your well-phrased request. Geeky fun, dragon and starship. Because Welsh requests are epic in every universe. To the dragon.
Alli di. Gadael I ni fynd.
On a starship.
Alli di. Agor yr adran.
To the engineer.
Alli di. Trwsio'r darian.
Fantasy, sci-fi, or the kitchen door, same hero phrase. Lightning drills. Rapid fire practice, answer out loud. Say, can you show me?
Alli di. Dangos I mi.
Say, can you open the door?
Alli di. Agor y drws.
Say, can you open the window?
Alli di. Agor y ffenestr.
Say, can you lift it?
Alli di. Ei godi.
Say, can you show the way?
Alli di. Dangos y ffordd.
Just the verb open in Welsh.
Agor.
Formal version.
Allwch chi.
Negative idea.
Alli di ddim.
Notice.
Ddim.
Quick quiz. Tiny test, big confidence. Say or think the answer, then I'll reveal it. How do you say can you? Informal. Answer.
Alli di.
Translate. Can you open the window? Answer.
Alli di. Agor y ffenestr.
What's the formal or plural form? Answer.
Allwch chi.
How do you say will you? Different meaning. Answer.
Wnei di.
Make it negative. Can't you open the door? Answer.
Alli di ddim. Agor y drws.
One last story beat. Pin the phrase to a memory, sticky and sweet. You're carrying boxes, smelling fresh coffee. You ask your friend.
Alli di. Helpu.
They nod, say.
Ai, wrth gwrs.
Then you point to the hallway.
Alli di. Dangos y ffordd.
Finally, at the stairs.
Alli di. Ei godi.
Victory. Candy reward unlocked. Challenge and wrap up. Your turn. Make it real today. Mirror drill. Point from you to a friend in the mirror and say.
Alli di. Dangos I mi.
Real life mission. Use.
Alli di.
Once today, maybe.
Agor y drws.
Or.
Dal y drws.
With.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Rhyme to remember. Alli D? Alli to me. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Alli di.
And explore more English Welsh goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo, Diolch.